Hello. I'm Hart. Welcome to the 5-Day English Shadowing Challenge. In this series, you will practice common English sentences. These sentences are often used in everyday conversations. You also hear them frequently in movies. The goal is simple. Listen carefully. Then repeat each sentence out loud. Try to copy the pronunciation. Copy the rhythm. Copy the stress. Copy the emotion. Do not just listen. Speak with me. This method is called shadowing. Shadowing trains your speaking muscles. It builds muscle memory. It helps your speech become faster and more natural. Each day we will practice 25 sentences. By the end of the challenge, you will practice 125 sentences. If you repeat every line clearly, your fluency will improve. Ready? Let's begin. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? What's going on? What's going on? What's going on? Are you okay? Are you okay? Are you okay? I'm fine. I'm fine. I'm fine. Trust me. Trust me. Trust me. Listen to me. Listen to me. Listen to me. Calm down. Calm down. Calm down. Wait a second. Wait a second. Wait a second. Come on. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. We need to talk. We need to talk. We need to talk. I can explain. I can explain. I can explain. It's not what it looks like. It's not what it looks like. It's not what it looks like. You don't understand. You don't understand. You don't understand. I don't believe you. I don't believe you. I don't believe you. I love you. I love you. I love you. I hate you. I hate you. I hate you. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. It's my fault. It's my fault. It's my fault. It's too late. It's too late. It's too late. Don't move. Don't move. Don't move. Get down. Get down. Get down. Call 911. Call 911. Call 911. Stay with me. Stay with me. Stay with me. Look at me. Look at me. Look at me. Great job. You finished day 1. You practiced 25 sentences. If you repeated them out loud, you trained your speaking muscles. That is how fluency grows. Repetition is the key. Feel free to play this video again. Practice the sentences one more time. Tomorrow, we continue the challenge. We will learn 25 new sentences. Keep practicing every day. Stay consistent. I will see you in day 2.